Welcome to the main page of the Coiled Spring Terminal. The main page is the scanner, the engine of the entire platform. It allows you to search for all the options that match your criteria on a given underlying asset. You can filter by selecting from different asset classes available on the US market: stocks, ETFs, indices, and commodities. Let's select ETF. Once you choose the asset class, a ticker search field suggests some popular ETFs, but the terminal can search across all ETFs traded on the US market. Let's choose QQQ. We can set a strike price range, for example, between 600 and 800. We can choose whether we want calls, puts, or both. We can set a minimum and maximum number of days to expiration. For LEAPS, I recommend between 300 and 1,000. We can set a delta range and a minimum and maximum implied volatility. Now, let's run the scan. Once we get the results, we see a complete list of all matching options. The information provided includes the ticker, the option type, the strike price, the exact expiration date, the days to expiration, the bid and ask prices, the mid price, which is the average between bid and ask, the last executed price, the bid-ask spread, the implied volatility, delta, vega, theta, and open interest. Once we identify an option of interest, we can select it and add it to a watch list. I have already created 5 watch lists, but you can also create a new one by entering a name. For now, I will add this selected option to an existing watch list called ETF. After adding it, we can navigate to the watch list section. On the left side, we see all the watch lists we have previously created. Let's select ETF, where we find the option we just saved. By clicking on it, we can see additional details about that specific option. Soon, you will also be able to set alerts on individual options, but that feature is coming in a future release. We can also select an option and remove it from the watch list. Now, let's go back to the scanner. Another very powerful feature of this tool is the IV surface. It shows how implied volatility varies as a function of expiration and strike price, displayed in a 3-dimensional chart. You can rotate the chart, zoom in, and explore it from any angle. But the most interesting part is this. If you find a specific point of interest on the surface, you can click on it to see which option it corresponds to. Double-click, and the option details appear. You can then add it directly to one of your watch lists and monitor its implied volatility over time. The chart can also be expanded for easier reading or reduced for a broader overview. These are the 3 main features currently available in Coiled Spring Terminal. In the next tutorials, we will explore additional functionalities. One of the most important being the AI-powered options assistant integrated directly into the tool. Thank you for watching this tutorial.